Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Sennheiser IE 200 is probably one of the most anticipated in-ear monitors for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, promising to deliver Sennheiser's renowned sound quality in a more accessible package, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking an elevated listening experience without breaking the bank. Number 5. Linsoul KZ-ZS10 Pro Hybrid IEM Earphones. Experience superior sound with our upgraded hybrid driver system. It features 4 balanced armature drivers and a magnetic dynamic unit for clear highs, rich mids, and powerful lows. These earphones boast a premium build with a stainless steel faceplate and a durable resin cavity. The detachable, gold-plated cable ensures longevity and easy upgrades. A custom PCB dividing board optimizes each driver's performance. This results in a smooth, detailed, and dynamic listening experience that truly captures the essence of the music. Designed for comfort, these fit securely and snugly in your ears, even during physical activity. Enjoy extended listening sessions without discomfort and block out up to 26 dB of external noise. With highs extended beyond 40 kHz, you'll hear every nuance of your audio. The combination of drivers delivers a balanced soundstage with dynamic lows and bright resolution. These are perfect for musicians and audiophiles alike, offering a high-fidelity wired listening experience. The robust construction and detachable cable make them a reliable choice. What we like. Featuring an upgraded hybrid driver system, it delivers dynamic lows and bright resolution. If you're looking for detailed sound with a punchy bass, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who enjoy a vibrant and energetic listening experience, especially for gaming and music. What people say. The Sennheiser IE 200 earbuds offer a balanced sound profile with clear highs and mids, making them suitable for various music genres. The design is sleek and comfortable for long listening sessions, with a secure fit that minimizes sound leakage. They come with a detachable cable, allowing for easy replacement or upgrades, and the included ear tips ensure a good seal for optimal audio performance. Number 4. Sennheiser CX80S in-ear headphones. Immerse yourself in the uncompressed and balanced sound of Sennheiser. You'll hear every detail of your music like never before. Manage your music and calls with ease using the inline one-button smart remote. No more fumbling with your phone. The in-ear design provides a secure fit, reducing ambient noise. This allows you to relax and focus solely on your music. With 3 included ear tip sizes, you can achieve an individualized fit. This ensures personal comfort and effective ambient noise isolation. Enjoy a truly uncompressed and balanced audio experience. Every note and nuance of your favorite tracks will be delivered with stunning clarity. What we like. Experience uncompressed, balanced Sennheiser sound for every detail. If you prioritize a straightforward, high-quality audio experience with convenient controls, this is for you. It's perfect for daily commutes and casual listening where clarity and ease of use are key. What people say. The Sennheiser IE 200 offers a balanced sound profile with clear highs and mids, making it suitable for various music genres. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit for extended listening sessions, and the detachable cable adds to its durability and convenience. The soundstage is surprisingly wide for its price point, providing an immersive listening experience. Number 3. Linsoul Kiwi Ears Aether IEM. Experience sound like never before with our largest planar driver yet. Its 15.3mm diaphragm and powerful magnets deliver a truly headphone-like audio experience, offering superior output and reduced distortion for exceptional sound quality. Enjoy a wider and more accurate soundstage that mimics the experience of listening to open-back headphones or stereo systems. The improved ventilation and chamber design create an open and lifelike sound. We've meticulously engineered these for natural and precise sound, staying true to our signature tonal balance. Expect impactful bass, a warm mid-bass to mids transition, and accurate vocals and instruments. Designed for professionals, gamers, and music enthusiasts, its exceptional technical performance and balanced sound signature provide the accuracy and precision you demand. Immerse yourself in your audio like never before. These come with a standard detachable 2-pin cable for easy customization and extended longevity. Swap cables to personalize your listening experience and keep them performing at their best. The treble has been carefully tuned to match human hearing perception. This ensures a clear yet natural upper frequency response, bringing out the finest details in your music. What we like. Boasting the largest planar driver yet, it offers a truly headphone-like soundstage. If you seek an expansive and accurate sound with natural tonality, this is an excellent option. It's designed for audiophiles, professional musicians, and gamers who demand precision and immersion. What people say. The sound quality is excellent, with a balanced profile that suits various music genres. Comfortable fit for long listening sessions, and the build quality feels durable. Number 2. Linsoul TANGZU X HBB WU Heyday IEM. Introducing the upgraded WU Heyday IEM, a new collaboration with HBB. This earphone builds upon previous models with refined bass and treble, offering a fresh listening experience. Inspired by Chinese history, its design pays homage to a legendary empress. Crafted with meticulous detail, it features a metal gray finish and traditional auspicious cloud patterns for a look that is both noble and elegant. Experience enhanced audio with the upgraded 14.5mm planar driver. It delivers a more neutral, balanced, and spacious sound with improved technicalities and resolution for a truly immersive listen. The full aluminum case is precision crafted using a 5-axis CNC machine. Its smooth, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure fit, even during extended listening sessions. It comes with an upgraded 3-in-1 detachable silver-plated cable. This provides hi-fi level performance and flexibility, allowing you to easily connect to various devices or use your preferred cable. Designed based on extensive human ear data, these earphones offer outstanding comfort and a perfect fit. Enjoy a pleasant listening experience tailored for the majority of users. What we like. With an upgraded planar driver and a premium aluminum shell, it aims for a musical yet neutral sound. If you appreciate a balanced sound profile with improved technicalities and a refined aesthetic, consider this. It's well suited for those who enjoy a detailed and spacious listening experience with a touch of elegance. What people say. The Sennheiser IE 200 offers a balanced sound profile with clear highs and well-defined mids, making it suitable for a variety of music genres. The in-ear design provides a comfortable and secure fit, even during extended listening sessions, and effectively isolates external noise. The detachable cable allows for easy replacement or upgrading, enhancing the longevity and versatility of the earbuds. Number 1. 5N OFC+Graphene Mixed Braid Earphone Replacement Cables. Elevate your listening experience with these premium replacement cables, designed specifically for your Sennheiser IE 200, IE 300, IE 600, and IE 900 earphones. Crafted from a unique blend of 5N oxygen-free copper, silver-plated copper, and graphene coating, these cables offer exceptional durability and flexibility. Experience enhanced audio resolution with improved mid and high frequencies, and a deeper, more powerful bass response. It ensures comprehensive signal transmission for an overall superior sound quality. Graphene's unique properties allow for incredibly efficient electron migration, far surpassing ordinary conductors. This stable structure provides extraordinary electrical conductivity for your audio. Our dedicated team insists on high-quality, handmade audio equipment. We combine premium materials with meticulous craftsmanship to create an irreplaceable upgrade cable. With a 1.2-meter length and a 4.4mm plug, these cables are designed for optimal performance and compatibility. Enjoy a truly immersive and detailed sound. What we like. This replacement cable features a unique mixed braid for strong audio resolution and extended frequencies. If you're looking to upgrade your existing Sennheiser IEMs for better clarity and a more robust low end, this is the perfect accessory. It's ideal for audiophiles who want to fine-tune their sound and appreciate meticulous craftsmanship. What people say. The Sennheiser IE 200 offers a balanced sound profile with clear highs and mids, making it suitable for various music genres. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit for extended listening sessions, and the included ear tips provide a secure seal. The detachable cable allows for easy replacement and upgrade, enhancing the product's longevity and customization options. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.